In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to layers in Draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to organize shapes into layers in a Draw.io diagram. For this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the overall workflow is very similar in Jira as well. The goal here is to move existing shapes into a specific layer so your diagram stays organized and easier to manage, especially if you're working with more complex visuals. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the draw.io diagram you want to update, click on the diagram to select it, and you'll see a floating toolbar appear. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the Draw.io editor in a pop-up window right inside Confluence, allowing you to make changes directly to the diagram without leaving the page. After the editor opens, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Layers panel. This is where you can view and manage the layers in your diagram. To do that, go to the top menu bar, click View, and then choose Layers. A small Layers window will appear in the editor. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also open it by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard. Using the Layers panel is important because it gives you a clear place to control where selected shapes belong. Next, select the shape or multiple shapes that you want to add to a layer. Make sure your selection is correct before moving on, especially if your diagram has several overlapping elements. Once your shapes are selected, return your attention to the Layers panel. At the bottom of that panel, click the hamburger menu icon. From the menu that appears, hover over Move Selection to, and then choose the layer where you want those shapes to be placed. As soon as you select the target layer, the chosen shape or shapes will be moved into it. This is a simple but very useful way to keep different parts of your diagram separated by purpose, visibility, or editing control. It can make large diagrams much easier to work with over time. And that's it. You've successfully added shapes to a layer in Draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira.